Okay. So by nommer E sê hulle ABCD is 'n parallelogram. So nou moet jy klaar weet alles wat 'n parallelogram behels. Okay? All the characteristics of a parallelogram you must know by now. Okay. So triangle ABE, okay, is equilateral. What does that tell us? Okay? Gelyksydig. They tell us it's equilateral. Okay. And what do we know about the angles of an equilateral triangle? Do you see how it all comes together? Okay. Al drie daai hoeke 60 grade. Okay, want hulle is gelyk. Okay. Enzovoorts. Okay. Driehoek DEC. This triangle is an isosceles. Okay. We don't know which two sides are equal yet. Ons weet nog nie wat die twee sy is gelyk nie. So ons gaan by dit uitkom. Okay? Die vraag sê, bewys dat AED of AE loodreg is op ED. So wat moet ons doen om dit te bewys? Ons moet bewys dat hoek E2 90 grade is. Ons moet dit gaan bewys. Ons moet by dit uit gaan kom. Okay. So hoe ek daarby se uitkom is ek begin by die inligting wat hulle vir my gee. Start with the info given. All three of those angles are equal to 60 degrees. Okay? You can by now just say angles of an equilateral triangle. Okay? But the way you would have proven it is equal angles opposite equal sides for all three of them. So sum of the interior angles of a triangle, 3x equal to 180. So 180 divided by 3 is 60 degrees. Okay, very long way. By now you can just say angles of equilateral triangle. Okay, now we know this is 60 degrees. What makes it relevant? Okay, we know also AB or AD parallel to BC. Why? Why can I just say that they are parallel? They told us it's a parallelogram. Okay, so we must incorporate all those characteristics. Okay, so if we know that E1 is 60 degrees, we must know that A2 is also. Okay, why is this? Hoekom is hulle gelyk? Want hulle lê tussen twee parallelle lyne en daarom is verwisselende hoeke gelyk. Okay, so A2 is also 60 degrees due to AD being parallel to BC. Alternate angles equal. Okay, everyone fine with this? Right? So now we have a 60 degree there and a 60 degree there. So the whole of A is 120 degrees. Okay, why is this important? Because we want to get here as well. Okay, the whole of angle A is 120. What do we know about the whole of angle C now? C must also be equal to A. Why? Hoekom is dit dieselfde? Want teenoorstaande hoeke van 'n parallelogram. Okay? By now you must know the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Both of them are 120. So then I have 120 degrees here. Now this is a very important fact. What type of angle is this? Watter hoek is dit? Dis 'n stomphoek. Okay? Jy kan nie iets kry soos, just recap. Okay? If you have an acute angle, an acute, and coincidentally there are isosceles, all three are acute. Okay? But if you have an obtuse isosceles, okay, a stomphoekige, okay, sê nou maar soos 120 grade, stomphoekig, dan weet ek, daai twee aangrensende sye is die gelyke bene. Right. If I have an obtuse angle isosceles, then those adjacent sides are of equal length. It cannot be this one. Okay? You can't have an equal side and an equal side and then here only have your obtuse angle, then it's not going to be a triangle. Okay, does it make sense? Okay, so I deduced if this is an obtuse angle, as hy die stomphoek is, dan moet EC gelyk wees aan CD. Hulle moet dan gelyke lengte hê. Okay. CDE is an isosceles and it's obtuse, so therefore EC must be equal to CD. And if they are equal, what do we know? Let me use another color. As hulle gelyk is, dan weet ons daai teenoorstaande hoeke is gelyk. Okay? Equal angles opposite equal sides. So E3 is equal to D2. Okay, equal angles opposite equal sides. And now that we know that those two are equal and we have this one, we can calculate the value thereof. Okay, E3 plus D2 plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Interior angles of a triangle. Binne hoeke van 'n driehoek. Okay, so twice the value of E3 because D2 is equal to E3 plus 120. If we subtract the 120, we get 60. Gedeeld deur 2 kry ons 30. So E3 is 30 grade, maar D2 is dan ook 30 grade. Okay, now that we know that D2 is equal to 30 degrees, okay, we want to get to this angle, okay, this one. We want to prove it as 90 degrees because that's what we need to prove. Okay, so ek werk om terug. Ek soek nog vir D1. D1 lê tussen twee parallelle lyne. Stem jy saam? Do you agree? Between two parallel lines, D1 is formed with a transversal. Parallel, parallel. So E3 is also equal then to D1 because of alternate angles being equal due to parallel lines. AD parallel to BC. Okay. So if this is 30 degrees, and earlier we determined that this is 60 degrees, interior angles of a triangle, we can now go and say A2 plus D1 plus E2 is 180 degrees. And then we get for E2 as 90 degrees. Okay. Could have done that, or you could have said adjacent angles on a straight line, because we already have E1 and E3. Je kon aangrensende hoeke op 'n regte lyn ook gebruik het. Maar ons wil bewys dat A2 of E2 90 grade is, sodat AE loodreg is op ED. Okay. Number 2 asks, show that ED bisects D. Okay. Verdeel lyn ED hoek D in 2. So wat beteken dit? Hulle vra, is D1 en D2 gelyk? Ons het lankal bepaal. D1 en D2 is albei 30 grade. So as hulle albei 30 is, dan is hy mos 'n 60 grade hoek. The angle D is 60 degrees. And ED bisected it into 2 30-degree angles. So therefore, ED definitely bisects angle D. Okay, that was number E.